So we're out in our hometown, Greeneville. We're at the Morgan Road, old railroad bridge. It's supposed to be haunted here. Anyways, figured I would stop out for a second and risk my life on this tight little space here, but figured I'd get some footage, see if I find anything. So, here we go. Not sure why it's haunted. I don't remember the story behind it, but it's supposed to be haunted here. Who knows? A lot of graffiti, really old, obviously. It's kind of weird. This is it. Finally checking it out. Yeah, you really are risking your life here. This is dangerous. As you can see, we parked off the side of the road. And probably get nailed if I don't get out of the way soon, but next time we'll find a better place to park. Just had to get a look at the place, so I don't know, see what happens. Take a few pictures before I go. See ya.